Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when Wi-Fi is not working on your HP laptop or a desktop. So the first step is to perform power cycle. To perform power cycle, go ahead and shut down the computer. So go to the start menu, then click on the power icon, then click on shutdown. Now once the computer is shut down, go ahead and switch off your Wi-Fi router. So if your Wi-Fi router is on, go ahead and switch it off. Wait for 15 to 20 seconds and then restart your router and then restart your computer, and then you can go to the internet icon on the bottom right, click on it and then select your network, then click on connect. Now if that does not work, then go ahead and run the network troubleshooter. To run the network troubleshooter, make a right click on the internet icon on the bottom right, make a right click, then click on troubleshoot problem, and once the troubleshoot is complete, go ahead and try connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Now the third step is to run this command in the command prompt. So open command prompt. To open command prompt, just type in CMD in Windows search box and then make a right click on command prompt, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow and run this command. So copy this command. The commands are provided in the video description. So copy the command, paste it in the command prompt window and then hit the enter key on the keyboard. Now the second command. If you receive any kind of error message or anything, just ignore it and just run the next command. Now once you're done, running all the commands, go ahead and restart your computer. So go to the start menu, then click on the power icon, then click on restart. And after you restart your computer, go to the power icon on the bottom right and click on the the Wi-Fi icon over here, the internet icon, then select your network, then click on connect. Now the next step is to update your wireless driver. Now to update your wireless driver, you have to go to your HP website. So just open HP support, just type in HP support in Google search. Now this has to be, on this computer you don't have internet, so you have to use another computer. So if you have any additional computer with internet working, so you have to arrange another computer which has the internet connection so that you can go online, and then go to HP website, click on download drivers. And then you have to select your laptop or desktop. So if you have a laptop, click on laptop. If you have a desktop, click on desktop. Then you have to go ahead and enter the serial number of your laptop or a desktop. And then you have to go to the drivers and download page, software and drivers. And then you can go ahead and download the driver, the network driver, the wireless driver, the Wi-Fi driver from your HP website. Now, once you find the HP driver, you have to go ahead and plug in a USB flash drive to your computer. This step requires another computer. So you're opening this website on another computer, or if your computer supports a Ethernet connection, so you can also use Ethernet connection. So from your router, you can go ahead and connect the LAN cable to your Ethernet port on your computer, and you can go online, and then you can go ahead and download the driver, or you can go to other computer and then open HP website, enter your serial number, go to drivers page, and then download the network driver for your wireless card, and then you have to go ahead and transfer the file to your USB flash drive. So you have to connect the USB flash drive, and you can go ahead and download the file, copy that file to your USB flash drive, then connect that USB flash drive to your HP computer which does not have a Wi-Fi connection. Then go ahead and go to your flash drive, open that file, you have to run that file, and then you have to install the driver to HP laptop, and then you can go ahead and get your internet working. Now the next step is to uninstall wireless driver from device manager. So make a right click on start menu, then click on device manager, then go to network adapters, and here you can see the Wi-Fi driver. So anything you see which says wireless, that is actually your wireless driver. So make a right click, then click on update, click on uninstall device. Then here you will see the pop-up which says warning, you are about to uninstall this device from your system. Click on uninstall. Now once you click on uninstall, after once this is done, you go ahead and restart your computer. Go to the start menu, then click on restart, and after the restart, click on your internet icon on the bottom right, then go ahead and click on connect, and this time it will be asking for your Wi-Fi password. So enter the Wi-Fi password and then you can go ahead and connect to your wireless network. Now the next step is to disable and enable your Wi-Fi. So to disable or enable your Wi-Fi, click on the internet icon over here and then click on network and internet settings. Then click on change adapter options, and here you can see the Wi-Fi. So make a right click on your Wi-Fi, then click on disable, and then again try to make a right click and click on enable, and then you can go ahead and click on your Wi-Fi icon on the bottom right, click on the Wi-Fi, then click on connect. From here you can go ahead and try to connect. Now the next step is to reset network. To reset network, open Windows 10 settings. So click on settings, go to network and internet over here, and then on the bottom you can see network reset. So click on network reset, click on reset now, click on yes. Now once you click on yes, you have to go ahead and restart your computer now. So anyway, it will, here you can see the pop-up which says Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. So you can close this, you can go ahead and restart your computer. So click on restart, and after the restart, click on the internet icon and then select your network. Right now I haven't restarted, so I don't see the list of my Wi-Fi network. Once I restart the computer, I'll be able to see the Wi-Fi, the name of the Wi-Fi over here, and then you can select your Wi-Fi network and then click on connect. It will be asking for your password, enter the password, and it will go ahead and connect to your internet. The last step is to reset Windows 10. So if nothing is working, you have to go ahead and reset your Windows 10. To reset Windows 10, open Windows 10 settings, click on settings, then click on update and security. No, actually you have to go ahead and type in reset over here. So just type in reset over in the search option, and then click on reset this PC and click on get started. Now before you reset this PC, let me inform you that you might lose the data on the computer. So here you have two options: keep my files. So it will remove your application and settings from the computer, but keeps your personal file. So when you select this option, you will lose all the application, but you might not lose your data. And if you select everything, remove everything, you will lose all the application and data. So whatever option you want, just make sure that you have a backup for your data. So select the option and then follow the on-screen instruction and reset your computer, and that will go ahead and take care of the problem. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.